Oh my gosh, it's so hot. It's already 5 p.m. but it's really hot. Anyway, I made a little bit of update here in my arrangement in our garden. I added this one, this plant here, and here. The pot that I used in this one was an old paint container, and I just painted it brown so that it would look like a terracotta pot, just like the other one. Not pretty obvious from afar. So there, the line of plants became more because I added another set of plants there. So let's the pail used for watering plants. I think it's nicer now because of the yellow plant. You could like visualize it more from afar. Over here, this plant is new, and this one also. I just bought it like 2 or 3 days ago. It's very pretty. I don't know if the camera could see it, but it has that reddish color in the tip of the plant. That's why I like this one. Very windy. And this one is very nice. This one is the same as that big one over there. Okay, that one. It's the same one. Very pretty. This has a mint smell. That's why it's so pretty. I want to buy another one like this, but a little bit bigger. I also added rock alignment here. Yeah. Just so that I know until what point will I cut the grass. Something like that. I wish the grass here would go straight over there. Then I think it would be more prettier and beautiful. Yeah. I think I'm gonna move this plant over here to make them like the center. Okay, for a while. Okay, I think that's better. I just want these two to be always together, like this one and this one. I just want them to be together. See, this plant looks like a banana split for me. Very nice. Okay, so far that's the improvement or changes that I have made around here. Oh yeah, here in my garden, in greenhouse, I placed the peace lily inside the greenhouse. Can you see it? Okay. The peace lily are now inside the greenhouse because they are having a hard time staying outside because it's summer and it's very hot. I'm just gonna water these plants, my propagation tray, because it's dry. So that's the only thing I water around here every day, the propagation tray. So again, thank you guys for watching, and that's all for today. Have a great day everyone, and stay safe.